What is up, YouTube? Johnny B here again today, and now we're gonna be putting on a new exhaust. We have another Tomei. It's also a titanium. It's the more like watered down version of the ADR. This one is normally a lot quieter than the ADR is in general. Even if you have like a full catless setup with a header and everything. So we'll see how it sounds with, you know, all the stock stuff and literally just putting on a catback. I believe it's the 60. I don't know if it's the S or the R. I believe it's the S because it has like a little muffler. There's like slight differences, but in the end, it looks like a trumpet coming out the back. And it's a 2.5 inch instead of a 3 inch like the ADR is. But it's also a really nice exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on and then get some exhaust clips to see how it sounds. So here we have the Tomei 60 titanium. It comes out of the opposite hole on the bumper. It is 2.5 inch. It's got muffler and a resonator as well, just like the Tomei did, the Tomei ADR. But it's 2.5 inch. It should be a lot less loud. The flange is also different up top. This one, you could not use the stock bolts with a spring, and that one looks exactly like OEM, so you should be able to use the stock setup for the bolts and not have to source new ones. So go ahead and throw it on. this exhaust, this is the Tomei 60S, we're gonna be trying out a new exhaust. And it's gonna be another single exit. I don't know why, but I just have a bunch of single exits. I'm thinking this exhaust is gonna sound really good as well, just like the Tomei did. The 60 sounds really good. It's just, I guess you could say it's a little bit more mellow from what I like. So I like it to be a little bit like deeper. So let's go ahead and remove this one, install that one, and see how it sounds.